A family member sent me this incredible package. This box is packed with watchmaking and clock repair equipment. As I pull out each item, the anticipation is just building. A lot of these tools, I know what they are, but there's a lot of them I don't. A lot of these pliers are custom modified. Over the years of fixing clocks, you just make your own tools, you find out what works. You collect and organize all the pieces that you need to be able to fix them. Our family's been into fixing clocks for years. Lately, I've been getting real interested in clock repair. So I've been talking to anybody and everybody that I can to learn about this stuff. And I've had some successes and I've had some not so much successes. Learning to fix clocks, it's kind of like you have to fail yourself forward. When a broken clock starts ticking, there's nothing more exciting than that. It just seems like one of those hobbies that you'll always continually learn. I'm already starting to see some of the pieces that I'm gonna need to fix the clock I'm working on. Now would you look at that box of hands? I can see that box of screwdrivers down there. I'm getting pretty excited about these. Lately, I've been making these screwdrivers out of old nails, but this is gonna be nice. If you're into fixing watches, I can already see some cool tools down in there. There's a huge assortment of stuff in here. There's a bunch of brass keys for winding these clocks up. Some of the things in here are basic tools and some of them are extremely specialized. Here's a Canyon puller. I've been using a pair of pliers, but this is the right tool for the right job. Can't wait to use this one. This tool is for putting hands on the watch. The next one is for pushing jewels into the watch. This one, I don't know what it is. It holds something on while you're working on it. I'll have to dig in to find out what this one is. Pretty tough to beat looking through a big old box of tools. I'm definitely gonna have to do some research on this one. Every time I pull something out of the box, I don't know what's gonna be next. Tweezers, nice. I can already tell these are gonna work a lot better than the ones I got. These are really honed in. Next tool, I don't know. That's a nice Starrett screwdriver. Pulling these old tools out doesn't get old. Looks like a Bic pen, but it's a scale inside. So cool. Talk about an unboxing video. Micro screwdriver, one little knife, maybe brass riveting pins. That's a big mainspring. I don't know what these are. Well, I'm starting to get down to the bottom of the box, and I'll lay this stuff out all over the table so we can check it out. I think this stick is for cleaning jewels. It'll definitely take me a little bit of time to lay all this stuff out and organize it. Here's a bunch of watch crystals. Lately, I've been just cleaning them up, but if you break one, it's a tough thing to find. A lot of neat little things. Well, I hope you enjoyed opening this box with me.